First, this is my design. I use the relative out, which is used to overlap the views with each other, or to organize the views in terms of each other, or in terms of parent view or parent view group. So I need to use the linear attribute, which is used to either organize the views horizontally or vertically, which I don't need that in my design. After that, I use image view. Image view is used to make this image as the background. I made it. It have a width much parent, which is an required attribute, which have much parent that I will have all the width of the screen, and the height also will have all the width of the screen. And I need to have the source of the image, which is drawable folder in resource, which called, and the name will change as the image. And I choose the center crop to make this, and the center group, there is also a center which will be a little bit bad, so I choose the center group. If you should try the both, and you choose the best one, center or either center crop. I choose center crop. And I have another image view, which is ID. I did ID for the image view, which is called Android, by using @ID and so on. As you know, Android layout width, which is my attribute, and make it much parent, to take all the space or all the screen height and width. And also I have the source, and I make padding to get the image in this position by 400 dp depth, or dependent depth. Text view. The text view, which is name is Abdullah and so on, which is used as a text and written in text attribute. The layout width, I have wrap content. I don't need match parent. I need also I need drop content only to make the text is, or the view is the same as the size of the text, not bigger, not smaller. So I need wrap content at both. If I made match parent, the size will differ and it will be very ugly shape, unsuitable for this design. And the text style, I choose 20 sp. You have to choose whatever you want. Feel free to choose your text styles and also the color. But for my design, I think the white is the most appropriate one. Android text color is a color for the text, and I use white, as I have said, and I make padding to add space inside, not outside, because outside is for margin, layout underscore margin, and I use padding. I think it will be the same as margin as padding because of the background, so I use padding by 24 from all direction, top, bottom, right and left. And the other text view, which is Android developer, I use the same. I use the white, and I used to make the Android layout below attribute to make the Android developer text below the first text with its name Abdullah Muhammad. So I use this attribute below, and I write the ID for the text view, of the first text view, and after that I make padding also, and I choose my appropriate size for the design, and I also choose center horizontal to be true, to make it as follow. Thank you.